there guys, and welcome to another video. How it is, I feel like all my videos now these days starting in the car. Anyway, it's because I'm driving going somewhere, right? It is a nice bright sunny day. I went fishing yesterday and I got some serious sunburn on the back of my neck and whatnot, and I needed to cool down. I'm using it as an excuse to go and find a river and cool off, a nice cold river. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, let's head in and see where we end up. Alright, so we just pull off there off the main road, right outside of Mobe. You could pull up and we're driving into the island. That's the thing about Mobe. Mobe have a few nice beaches and whatnot. They have the big hotels. But the major thing that I really love about Jamaica, like waterfalls and the nice cold rivers, there is not any of that really. There is the Mobe River, you could go a little upstream and swim and whatnot, but nothing compared to the other parishes and when you actually drive into the island. To get a nice cold river and maybe a waterfall, you have to kind of head out of Mobe. So a few years ago, they actually fixed piece of the road and it's nice and smooth. You have to pass through some bad road getting to here, but once you reach here, it is really nice, like a highway through the mountains. Take a look. Alright, so I turn off the nice highway road there and I'm driving towards the river. I had plans to go to Rowing River with the cave, but I saw on the map there is a river close by called Benta Falls, and it seems like a nice area, nice family oriented area, so I'll try there out. So as you saw, we passed the turn off for Rowing River there, so we're on a new path here. It's real nice country vibes in the back here, man, I wouldn't lie. Really nice. As you can see, I found it. So I paid to come in. The road is a little bad, but hey, that's alright. I'm heading down. They say they have drinks and food. Well, drinks for me is only water. And food and whatnot. So, you know, you could really come and spend the day. And of course, I will try to give you guys the best all that I can. Okay? I could already hear the river. Whoop. So as I drive, I could already hear the river down in the valley. Excited. Okay, I just stopped along the road because I'm on a hill heading down. But as you can see in the back, I'll be able to drive down. And that's the area there. It looks really nice. So they have the kitchen here. They have a good menu and everything is on the fireside. Best jerk chicken, right?
Yeah, you get that Benta.
Because look at this. It's a fireside cooking, eh? Look, they have the log wood here. Let's see what Bob Marley sing about.
Yeah. Burn the log wood through the night.
Right, so it's ready and it's here. Okay, so the property is really nice. I'm going to change and head down to go up the river. Alright guys, hope you can hear me. I have Ian with me.
Yeah man, we're going to hype up the water now.
Yeah, and we're on the bottom of the waterfall. So this is the Benta River. That's the Capybara River there. And the other one, Cabo River, yeah? But we're going to go up this one.
You can't stand here, you know.
Stand up. Come on. Water nice. I picked that up.
Lego!
So we've been experiencing the waterfall so far. Yeah. Really nice. I did a jump, a rope swing, and we're headed further up now.
To the cave.
Yeah, so we have the mineral here. Ian, give it to me.
Limestone. When you rub it on you and wash it off, your skin feel like a baby.
Alright, so it's good. It's good minerals for your skin.
Yeah.
I got sunburn yesterday, so this will do me well.
Good, yeah. Yeah, man, take your time, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
And it's like exfoliating.
It is, yeah.
Feel good. There is a cave. There's a big waterfall there, and there is a cave inside of it. Very nice. Yeah, man. Let's go, man. There, it's nice. Ian gave me a nice tour. We climbed up the entire river, did some nice stuff, waterfalls, you guys saw the cave, and now we're at the top. This nice calm tree, man, it's cool. Look how clear that water is. Really nice stuff, man. This is a pleasant surprise. I'm amazed this is not more famous. That was the tour of Benta Falls. This is my first time here. I'm definitely going to come back because it is fantastic. I just came back down to get some more shots for you guys, but this is it, Benta River. Thanks so much for joining me. As always, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Bye.